class. Today I am going to tell you verb. Verb is very important part of speech. Verb is very important part of speech. We can't deny this fact. Verb is a very important part of speech. So what's the meaning of verb? As you know, verb is called an action word. An action word is called verb. Action word. So verb, as we read, verb show action word, but not only show action but state of mind. Verb show action. This is fact. Verb show action, and second, state of mind. So what's the action? And state of mind is also called verb. State of mind is also called verb. Here I am going to write action. For example, he plays cricket. He plays cricket. So plays is called action verb. Plays is called action verb. Now I am going to tell you about kinds of verb. So as you know what's the verb, so now I'm going to tell you about how many kinds of verbs. There are many kinds of verb. For example, now here I'm going to write positive verb, intransitive verb, number 3, helping verb, helping verb, helping verb, or auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also called helping verb. Number 4, main verb, number 5, modal verb, number 6, gerund verb, number 7, participle, number 6, participle, number 8, finite verb, number 9, infinite verb, number 10, infinitives. So there are 10 kinds of verb: transitive verb, intransitive verb, helping verb, or auxiliary verb, main verb, modal verb, gerund verb, participle verb, finite verb, infinite verb, infinitive verb. So these are 10 kinds of verb. So one by one we will discuss, inshallah. One by one we will read all kinds of verb. We will cover all kinds of verb. First of all, I am going to tell you about helping verb or main verb, helping verb and main verbs. Okay, then further one by one we will discuss to each kinds of verb. Verb, helping verb, or helping verb or main verb, and these helping verbs are called helping verb, are also called auxiliary verb. Helping verb are also called auxiliary verb. Okay, so what's a helping verb? For example, here I'm going to write sentence. He is going to Lahore. He is going to Lahore. So, where helping verb? Is this called helping verb? Going is called main verb. Going is called main verb. And auxiliary verb is also called helping verb. Helping verb are, for example, here I am going to write example of helping verbs. What's our helping verbs? Helping verbs are is, am, are, has, have, had, is called helping verb. These are called helping verb, or these are also called auxiliary verb. These are called helping plus auxiliary verb. Okay, so what's a helping verb? These are called helping verb. What's a auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is also called helping verb, which are these. Okay, so what's a main verb? Main verb. Main verb, um, for example, I am going to tell you about he is going. So going he is called main verb. If I will say you are talking with me. So here are is called helping verb, talking is called main verb. Talking is called main verb. I hope you understand what's the difference between main verb and helping verb. If I will say he had gone to Lahore. He had gone. So had is called auxiliary or helping verb. So gone is called main verb. So gone is called main verb, and had is called helping verb. Had is called helping verb. Okay, in some sentences, we just see a main verb. There is no helping verb. For example, in past sentence, if we talk about a past sentence, we will say he slept. He slept. So there is no helping verb. There is a slept is called main verb. So here slept is called main verb. So you will not see here helping verb, just a main verb. It's depend upon the sentence. In some sentences, helping verbs it depends upon the tense. Tense. In some tenses, helping verb is so much essential. In some tenses, for example, in past indefinite tense, if we talk about the past indefinite tense, there will be no helping verb. There will be just main verb. In past indefinite tense, there will be just main verb, no helping verb. I hope you understand. I hope you got it. The idea about what's the main verb, helping verb, auxiliary verb. So I hope you understand, and I hope you have no confusion about helping verb, auxiliary verb, main verb, and helping verb.